Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by installing Coinswitch and creating or importing a wallet. This gets you to a usable account fast. Once done, write down your seed phrase and store it offline. This protects your funds. Next, complete KYC only if you plan to fee it on /off-ramp. Make sure your ID and a clear selfie are ready to speed verification. Finally, fund your wallet with a small test amount to confirm everything works before larger trades or swaps. You now pick the coin pair to swap, scanning available routes to choose the best rate and fee combination. Once chosen, enter the exact amount and check slippage tolerance and gas estimates. This prevents failed or expensive trades. Make sure the correct network is selected for both tokens. After that, approve any token allowances in your wallet and confirm the transaction. If a route shows slow execution, you can increase gas slightly to prioritize it. You finish by verifying the transaction on-chain using the transaction hash. This confirms fund movement and final balances. After verification, enable App Lock or 2FA to secure future access and adjust price alerts so you don't miss opportunities. If something goes wrong, first check network congestion and mempool. Increasing gas or resubmitting often resolves stuck transactions. If that fails, copy the TX hash and contact support. Provide the hash and screenshots so they can diagnose quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.